How to download Minecraft on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft on your iPhone in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, simply tap on the search bar and type Minecraft and hit search. And once Minecraft appears in the search result, simply scroll down and you will see the official Minecraft. So just tap on that, and on the new page you will see that the app cost around $7.99. So just tap on the price to begin the purchase. Now after that, choose your payment method, whether it's Apple Pay, a credit debit card, or Apple ID balance. And after entering your payment details, simply tap on done to confirm, and once your payment goes through, Minecraft will begin downloading to your device. And after it's installed, you can open the app, sign in, and start building your world. And that's it. That's how you can download Minecraft on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.